a mighty lei for your hair, and some flea powder for your dog. Vicki, thank you so much. It is so great. I would like to thank all the folks who've prayed for Vicki too, because there's been a lot of people with a prayer chain going on for her to get through this so she would never lose the ability to dance. Thank you, my darling, and congratulations. Lay for your hair has a special meaning. It's a sweet aloha made with love and care. From mountains kissing the blue, near the ridge of heaven, this my lay love for you. My lay, fashioned by the sun, beauty just for you, my lovely one. Lay for your hair is a crown of glory. It's the sweetest story of my love for you. My lay, fashioned by the sun, you'd be just for you, my lovely one. My lay for your hair is a crown of glory. It's the sweetest story of my love for you. Seats. And let's have a big hand for Jen and her dog Angela, who always makes sure that she doesn't go into Zippy's without her proper credit card.